This is standard 8 geography lesson number 2, interior of the earth. Now there is one activity or project you can do. If you are having clay with you, you can take clay of 3 colors, 3 pieces, okay, 3 pieces, one of blue color, one of yellow and the other red, and a cutter you will need, and one color, okay, any yellow color, okay. Then what you have to do is make circle shape of red clay piece first. So you have to make it around like a ball, and then that is then what you have to do the next with yellow, you have to roll it flat, okay, make a ball first and then you make it flat like a roti, okay, flat, and then what you do is you have to cover that red ball with that red clay piece, circle that is ball with this yellow flat sheet of that, so this clay, yellow clay. Then what you have to do is you have to properly cover it and make it again ball. So you will have what, that red ball is covered with yellow sheet of that clay. Now you have to take red this blue one, and then what you have to do, make it flat and then cover the yellow one, the yellow ball, okay, and that you will get that. So you have to cover it. So now you will have a covering of blue one. Then what you have to do is take a yellow color and draw the lines on that ball, blue ball, okay, and then what you do, take a cutter and cut that whole blue ball. Now that blue ball is having, inside it is yellow and inside it is red one, okay. Now that you have to cut with cutter. As you will cut it, you will find that the colors, different colors, in middle it is red, in the outer little bit is yellow and the outer is blue. Now this is why I have told you to understand how the earth surface is, okay. Now the center part of the earth is known as earth's center, okay, that is the red one, red all, and that is all, everything is inner core, that is then the earth center, then that is then the inner core, it is there, it is liquid, okay, it is all molten liquid there. So you will have all kinds of minerals there, it is a metal juice you can say, and it is having a high energy, it is having a lot of energy there, it's like a boiling point, okay. Then it is outer core, this is also liquid, in liquid state. Then it is mantle, this part is, this surface, this part is solid. Then this above it is lithosphere, okay. Above the upper surface of the earth is known as earth surface. It is having crust, continental and oceanic crust, that is continental crust and oceanic crust, that is it is having continents, that is land also is there, and water is also there. So oceans are also there and the continents, land is also there. So surface of the, so we all stay in this all level, this surface, okay, below us, below the earth surface, this is all things happening, and here it is a higher, very much high temperature, and because of it what happens, when the earth crust is there, the pressure increases at this level, it tries to come out like a pressure cooker, how the steam tries to come out, and then here there is movements happening here on the surface. So there is a gap there, or there is the trembling there, shaking there, and cracks occurs in the surface, on the surface of the earth, and that's why we experience what earthquakes, and we experience sometimes volcano eruptions also. The steam directly try to come here, and it comes directly from the active volcano. That is where the volcanoes, the mountains are active, so directly they have the openings there, and the pressure, right, as it increases, straight away comes out and it gets bursted out. And we know that as the liquid that comes out from the earth's inner core, out of the surface of the earth, it is known as lava, and it is very much, it takes many days, sometimes months also, to cool down. So nothing stays there, no life can exist when the that lava falls down on any of the surface, whether it is, there are the houses, there are the landforms, or there are anything that is there. So life, whether there are forest, trees, plants, animals, if it is falling on it, that nothing is staying there. Okay, so this is how the things happen. Okay, so we have to understand this. So this is all what internal, this is all happening inside the earth. So we have to it's a very good